Kani kadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Dr. Mukul Sangma ke Arab Sautarik Nailar ulalai banbu yu maunong rem jangka Commerce Bat Science College Hamadan Boling Ketop jangka Hima Moplang Lingdoship East Castle District haga jingidon lang kilaingut ki Menteri Sarkar Pak HDR Lingdo Pak Martin M Dango Kong Ampri Lingdo UMLA Kathan Pak Kennedy Kriem Pak Kiwe Kiru Rangba Kibana Kate Kathan Kentup Iki Officer Jong Kipenat Sarkar Repair Haba Jingkren haga Kate Sngi Nakaliang Menteri Rangba Ulong Kajingyo Pak Kajingla Jong UMLA Ban Penyo Yakini College Kan Yarap Iki Samla Puli kibadan jing trang hakini ki lanjing puli na kithan nong kendong kiba lakot bor banwan chanong ba shalong ulong ru bakani ka college ka long kum kalat an palat pendunaru ya ka jing khapnya kasor hakaba ki samla puli kinyo ban betang ki jing puli jong ki haki college kibadan na kithan nong kendong ya ka jing te jong ka te college lamang ha ka jing lot ka pakot lai phun riu klor tingka padikani hi insa pentre no shen haba ajingkran nakaliang UMLA ka Moplang constituency ba Kennedy Kriem lapan pa ba constituency ka jong u kalayo pidang shibun ka jingiram nakaliang ka sarkar para ba khen kelum kalakot kumba khandai folklore tam hakini ki south nam shiteng ki bladap.
So it becomes the epicenter of this new initiative. There are two such colleges that we have sanctioned. One is Moplang College of Science and Commerce. And we are here together therefore today to lay the foundation stone together, and we collectively take the joy of this humble initiative of the government. The second one is in Southwest Garovitz, from where I come, and we'll be laying the foundation stone for the second one very soon. So this is a launching of a new initiative of the government of having dedicated College of Science and Commerce in the state. We plan schools, colleges in the urban area. We plan various basic amenities, including drinking water, etc. For a population, we presume the population growth, which is expected to be normal, but ultimately will be confronted by abnormal growth of population in urban areas. There's a reason why we see unorganized growth of habitations, localities, the slums, the eyesores, which ultimately become a concern of all. Many of the cars going to the city are those cars which are carrying the students who are compelled to go to the colleges. Now you have one college, Arts College. Obviously Moplang has lots of students. Obviously Moplang and this area, the rural areas, other rural areas also have young students who are aspiring to be science students or pursue a commerce course. They are compelled, not by choice, but by compulsion to go to those colleges. And what happens? You end up increasing the number of footfalls entering the city.
Kali kesehatan Commerce College of Government kapan nung do hak state ni khalia bro kawai milong gibadun bok hado kata but credit goes to the Chief Minister and the Hima Moplang. Kajing kubulai bakar pang Hima Moplang. Sir, they have donated 20 acres of land free of cost. Syar sarkar bante kat kali college. Nasaliyut ya Hima Moplang. Lai syukur Hima Moplang. Langsung serang bangadai UMLA jong Hima Moplang. Kok hintet kat nong arah ya kurang jong Hima Moplang. Tentang ki perlu UMLA jena darbo kurang. Let's say kimen susah kita saja. Balai batang ya Moplang. Kerana shin ke jing dikle kum UMLA. Fresh buat. Kai wa pikir le ba ngangek skamba. Kapor kan sebatai. Uni le mau jam buat itu. Mau jam buat ubala unsenang buat.
Congratulations. Once again, all the best. All the best. What is for this? Our situation.
Berani kayu ini ya, semua